Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're looking at the Amiga that I have here, Seamaster. It's a Tourbillion. It's got the Tourbillion down there, so it's a full automatic watch. And this one's very good quality as well. Purchased this in Tenerife on the markets. Still kept all the plastic covering on there. Stamping's not as good quality as the stuff from Turkey, but it's still good. This says Speedmaster on there, but I'm pretty sure it says Seamaster on the dial. But that's typical of a replica really. They don't really get the hang of putting the right backing or straps to the right watch. Might be because they're mass produced, they just slap them on and that's it. But still very nice watch, full automatic. There you go, starts moving now. Love the dial on this. Quality of that dial is great, you know. Things like that, you know, they're not going to notice so much when you're wearing it that says Speedmaster on the clasp and Seamaster on there. And there's your mechanism at the back. Very similar to the other one that we had. Try and get a closer look at that mechanism. There you go. So that's the Skyfall limited edition. But yeah, it's quite a nice watch. Very classic, glassy watch. This one was about £80 to buy, and they are quite good at trying to get a lot more for them. I think when I went to ask him how much this was, he wanted nearly £300, and I said no. You know, mainly because of that strap or the clasp. You know, I said to him that's not right, and I got it down to £80. So they will manoeuvre on prices, but you have to be like adamant that you won't buy. Try walking away from them and they normally call you back, because at the end of the day they want to sell. This is probably Japanese movement. There we go, 2000 to 2018. It's got some sort of button there, not sure what that is, but still very nice watch. I don't think this is an exact replica of any watch. I don't think I've seen another Amiga like it with this Tourbillion on it, but it's still very nice watched anyway. So thanks for watching, and come back for more Amiga reviews. I've got a few more that I will be posting, including a couple of genuine ones. So thanks for watching, and come back for more. Goodbye.